Alright, good morning, good afternoon, you guys. It is Saturday, you guys. And I'm down here at my old shop. And the girls are gonna make some pots, Christmas pots, I guess. So they are, man, the deer chomped on this thing. Deer chomped on my evergreen here, and the girls are gonna cut from the bottom up. Looks like, yeah, the deer helped it. Well, they can use that. What the girls will do is they'll cut from the bottom, use some of this foliage. Same with the blue spruce, so they can make their pots. And then we got the dogwood, the red bark dogwood over there. So they don't have to buy much. And there's topsoil down there. So that's what the girls are doing this morning, Saturday morning. And I'm gonna go, you guys, go and install new locks at the new property. And then once I get the new locks installed, we'll start moving some of our lawn mowing equipment down to the new shop. So, jeez, what you do?
Elevated my tree in the backyard.
Did ya?
Nice. Take that whole tree down.
Nice, nice. Oh, you guys are leaving the pots there right in front of that door?
No, we're taking these home.
Where's Ashley?
Late.
She getting my TV?
Yeah, it's fine, but just like a small one.
Hey, nice truck, man.
Like this? Yeah, kind of. Okay.
Nice truck.
You want your TV? It's buckled into the back seat.
Ashley brought me a TV. Oh, yeah. She's getting rid of it.
Waiting all morning for.
Dude, that's what I've been waiting for. Jeez, you got buckled, bro?
What?
It worked?
Yeah, it's light too.
Okay. Let me get on that side.
Okay, let me back. Oh shoot, just broke it. Dang it. I cut my neck. This thing's tall. I know, I'm gonna tell mine is.
Dude, is that a tree?
Put this over here so I don't step on it. Nothing.
You guys got like a miniature tree.
That's what I did.
Looks nice. We are here, and let's get it's nice, it's a beautiful day, beautiful morning. Gotta get this TV out. That's gonna be our monitor for our security. we're gonna take that out. Show you guys what kind of lock I use. I like it because the fact that these locks are, you don't have to use a key if you don't want to. It's just code. And what else? Oh, and you can set a couple codes, you know, for a couple different codes for different people. Right here, that's what that is. You can set it to so that when you leave, when the door shuts, it locks automatically. So that's nice. You guys, I bought a LED right here. These LED bulbs. Look at that. 10,000 lumens. So we're gonna replace that one up there. I bought 2 of those. So these are 50 bucks each. Right here. You guys, it's damp rated, it says. Right there. Easy to install. So yeah. So we got the locks and stuff all done. I'm gonna show you how bright it is just with these old lights, and then I'm gonna install the LEDs. Oh, that's just one. That other one's dead, I guess. So that's what it looks like right now. That's how bright it is. Okay. Now let's do with the LED. Wow, you guys, that is bright. Look at that. Compared to the other one. Oh yeah. Wow. Woo. Can't even stand looking at it. Hurts your eyes. So there it is, you guys. It is nice and bright now. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Just a little simple fix. They're 100-watt bulbs, and they were $50 a piece though. But it should last long. Should definitely last long. Look at that. Wow. It is bright in here now. That's our security monitor. So, yeah. All right, guys. So my battery ran out on my GoPro, so I'm recording with the phone. But we got a lot of stuff moved in here. All the lawn care stuff is out in the 20 by 20 shop. And so we got all that. We got to organize. Got our monitor up for security. So here it is. Got toolbox down here. You know. So tomorrow I'm gonna plan on bringing more things down. There's a few landscaping tools and saws and stuff we gotta bring down. Some tires for the skids. So yeah, eventually want to paint that wall. It's killing me. I know. I really want to spruce this up, you guys. Or I really want to make this nice. And so I might. I don't know. I think that door was painted one time, so we're gonna give that a nice paint job too, and that. So, and then get the refrigerators out of the way, and get the speakers and stuff mounted on each corner of the shop here. And so, yeah. All right, guys, let's go out and I'll show you guys. It's dark. It's already dark. Nice. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see anything at all. I'll just turn on my truck light. Let me see here if it will. All right, so here it is. Let me get a truck light. There you go. I'll just turn my truck on. Show you guys I need to. All right, so there it is. Got all the mowers down. All right, so there it is, guys. I'll organize this better later, but for now, it's gonna have to work. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. Later.